Have you ever wondered where Vonage, the innovative communication platform, calls home? It's a question that might have crossed your mind if you've ever used their services or simply stumbled upon their name. Vonage has made a significant impact on the global communication landscape, offering a wide range of products and services that cater to individuals and businesses alike. From cloud communications and messaging to contact centers and APIs, Vonage has established itself as a leading player in the industry. But amidst all this technological advancement, one question remains. Where is the heart of Vonage? Where does this innovative company reside? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the country behind Vonage. The mystery unveiled. While Vonage's services reach customers worldwide, its headquarters are located in a country known for its technological prowess and entrepreneurial spirit. The answer is, drumroll please, the United States. That's right, Vonage is an American company. Its headquarters are situated in Homedale, New Jersey, a vibrant community that has become synonymous with technological innovation. Exploring Vonage's American roots, Vonage's presence in the United States is not a coincidence. The country's strong technological infrastructure, supportive business environment, and access to a skilled workforce have provided the ideal conditions for Vonage's growth and success. Here are some key factors that have contributed to Vonage's American roots. Technological hub. The United States is a global leader in technology, with a thriving ecosystem of startups, research institutions, and established tech giants. This environment has fostered a culture of innovation and provided Vonage with the resources and expertise it needs to thrive. Supportive business climate. The United States offers a favorable business climate with a stable economy, strong legal framework, and a culture that encourages entrepreneurship. These factors have made it an attractive destination for companies like Vonage. Access to talent. The United States boasts a world-class education system and a large pool of skilled workers, making it easy for Vonage to attract top talent. This has been instrumental in driving the company's growth and development. Vonage's global impact. While Vonage's headquarters are in the United States, its reach extends far beyond its borders. The company operates in numerous countries worldwide, serving customers from diverse backgrounds and industries. Vonage's global presence is a testament to its commitment to providing innovative communication solutions that meet the needs of customers around the world. The company's ability to adapt to different cultures and regulatory environments has been key to its success. So, the next time you use Vonage's services or hear the company's name, remember that it's an American company with a global reach. Vonage's headquarters in the United States have provided the foundation for its growth and success, and its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has earned it a reputation as a leading player in the communication industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.